Okay, hi guys. So today I'm gonna show you my journey of trying the hunt event in Metro Life. Okay. For all you know, I'm also playing Metro Life, guys. So I'll see the map, and this is all the way to get to the event. Yeah. They said I have to register in those places in Metro Life. There you go. And then we'll see what we're going to get, because they said they're gonna give us a reward if we done the hunting. So we're gonna use the bike to do the hunting. And so let's get one for ourselves. Oops, I went to a wrong bike, sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna get my own. Yeah. Oh, but before that, guys, maybe I'm gonna do a spin. Have you tried the lucky spin, guys? I already tried the lucky spin before, so I already got all the rewards in here. But I'm still spinning the wheel, even though I always get the action and sometimes the budge, and they all have a time limit of using those actions and ID badge. Okay, so I get the ID badge again. So now we'll start doing the hunt. Let's get the bike. Yeah, they said our first location will be on the bridge. Yeah, we're gonna go to the bridge in Metro. You're not gonna lose in the hand, guys. I think this is easy lang. See, those yellow arrow, it will lead you to the location. You just have to follow that. Yeah, you have to follow those arrow. Yeah, we're almost there. So the other arrow. We're so lucky there's no car, because sometimes if you play here, there's so many car pumping onto you. Ayan. Okay, now we're here. Oh, the staff have some water and chocolate. So, how to check in the location? I saw a camera, but I'm gonna drink some water. Yan. Okay. They said I have to take a picture, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture here. Ayan. So, okay. Okay, I'm done to my first location. Now I'm going to the next location. Will be on the bus stop. Bus stop, yeah. So, what did you get in this event, guys? What reward did you get if you done the hunt? Actually, this event is already finished. It's already done. For those who watch this now, the event is already done. So, even you went to the Metro Live, it's different now. I think there's a Eastern event. Yeah. So I'm almost reaching the bus station for my second location. Yeah. Oops. It's too slidey. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I'm here on my second location. Oops. I bumped into the arrow. But never mind. So I'm gonna take a selfie. Actually, it's not working. I have to ride on the bike to take the selfie. Yeah, so I have to get my bike and take a selfie. Okay, now I'm done on my second location. So this is pretty cool. So my next location now is it's a city hall. Okay, let's go to the city hall for our third location. Okay, we're gonna go all the way here. The arrow showed me to go back to the bridge, but I'm going to the tunnel. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. This gonna be not so far. Yeah, I already know the map location, for I always love to play here in Metro Life. Yeah, so it's gonna take a little bit long because the city hall is I think it's a bit far for now. Because I'm only using a bike, but it's okay. We have to be patient for the reward that we can get from this event. Okay, maybe a mansions, or I don't know, a mansion or a car. Metro life pa ka naman. Okay, now we're almost reaching the third location, the city hall. We need to go up here. Okay, okay, now we're here in city hall, and then we're gonna take a selfie. Okay, we're done for our third location. Now our fourth location is going to be, oh, sorry, I bump again. The fourth location where I'm gonna go, the airport. Okie dokie, now we're going to the airport. Actually, this event have time, so I thought it's a free, what did you call that? There's no limit time, but I saw that there's a limit time, so we have to be fast. I think if we have enough time, we have enough minutes to reach the location. It's not too far away. Sorry. Now we're in the airport for our port location. Now I'm gonna take a selfie. Okay. Oops. Why I'm always riding like this? Okay. Take a selfie now with the airport. Okay, I made a mistake this time, guys, because I should take a picture with the place. I just take a picture of myself. It's supposed to be with the place, right? So there's no cheating happening in this event. So I'm completed. Now I'm going to the Paradise Hotel for our fifth location. So sorry. Let's go to our fifth location, Paradise Hotel. Oh, this one I think it's a bit far. Yeah, because I need to cross to the bridge again, like this. But it's okay. I have to do it. I have to finish this because I've already started it, right, guys? I didn't expect that this is gonna be a long ride. Yeah, it's a long ride. This should be near places lang, but the Metro Life put it in the far away places. Why like that? Okay, now I'm going to the Paradise Hotel for our fifth location, and we're almost done. Yeah, I think I saw the last location. It would be, the last location will be in the mall. Yeah, then I have to go back to the spawn area, which in the park, to claim my reward after registering in the locations that I went. Oh, where am I going? It's raining. Sorry guys, I think this time I'm a bit laggy. Sometimes it's so lag here in the Metro Life, but yeah, it's okay. I need to turn around. Yeah, need to U-turn all the way to the Paradise Hotel. Yeah, the rain almost making me cold, but it's okay. You're a rain. You're just a rain. I'm the hunter. Charot. Okay, where am I going? I'm losing control again. I have to survive. We need to go past, girl. Go, 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 girl. You can do it, girl. All the way there, girl. Don't worry, guys. I think I'm almost finished, right? Sorry, there's interaction in my throat. Interaction of my throat. Okay. Oh no, I'm almost heated by the. No, actually, muntik na ako makasabay sa bus. So, it's gonna be weird. You know, if you hit by the bus, you're gonna cancel your car or your bike, and then you're gonna be on the bus. And you can able to get out unless you have house here that you already built, so you can teleport there. And some places pala some places pala you can teleport. Oh, I saw chocolate on the floor on the road. Maybe someone left it. Okay, and now we're here in the Paradise Hotel. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the 5th location, and one more to go, and I'm done. Oops, I'm almost fell down. Okay, I think this is fun. If you don't have anyone to play with, you can join the event of Metro Life by yourself. Yeah. Okay, I'm done on my 5th location. Now I'll be going to the last location, and that would be in the mall. Oh no! I've been hit by the bus. It's okay, I can get the bicycle again. And here we go. Go, go, go for the last location. Now we'll see. Okay guys, whatever the reward is, we must be thankful. I'm actually not expecting much because I have fun in hunting this game. Yes, I had fun. So whatever reward we can get, we have to be thankful, guys. Okay, no bitterness, just take it what Metro Life can give. Okay, just be grateful on what you get. I'm gonna cross the way, guys. I don't know if this is a shortcut or whatever. This is the fastest way to go to the mall. Yeah, actually I got the wrong way. I supposed to went to the side. Yeah, this side, cause all the way is straight from this road, then already mall. Okay, now I'm here. Now I'm here. Now I'm here. Oh yeah, guys. Now let's take a picture for our last location. Yeah, with the Metro Live. Now I'm done. I'm going to go back to the spawn area to get my reward. Oh yeah. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Diba? Buti pa siya binabalikan. Pero yung ex mo, huwag mo nang babalikan. Charot. Okay. Since I'm done. So, I hope you enjoyed too, guys. And if you're curious, you can add me and we can play together, guys. Just search Freeloka or Janina Pink on my Roblox. Yeah, I'm gonna follow you back. Okay, here we go. Where's my reward, Bunny? Okay. What is this? Oh, a badge. It's a badge, guys. So, okay, thank you so much. That's all for now, guys. Okay, see you again on the next event. Bye!